In the Activities Planning editor, compile the design stage and works execution time schedule. Define the activity table of the time schedule. In the Active Task Activity List, you have the activities contained in the Activities List editor. Use the drag and drop function to copy an item to the activity table. View the taskbars for each activity. Obtain the work's economic and financial diagram at design stage and during the work's execution phase. Alternatively, view the activity period data. Manage the activity period data for the duration calculation and productivity.